welcome back to my channel. I realized when I was unloading groceries this past weekend that my fridge is a complete disaster. So I really need to get this sucker cleaned out, and then I need to get everything from that cleaned up and dishes put away, floors swept, all that good stuff. So I thought I would bring you all along while I get everything done after dark. It is about 7:45 right now. Kids are asleep, husband's out watching the Browns game with a friend, and here I am, ready to go. So if you need some cleaning motivation, grab yourself a hot cup of tea, a glass of wine, whatever you prefer, and come along with me. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started by getting everything off of the shelves and out of the drawers, and then I'll wipe everything down with a wet microfiber cloth and my thieves cleaner from Young Living. I'm gonna go ahead and leave everything in the doors because I already tackled that a few weeks ago.
Close enough to burn, but I never learn. Try to make it last. Could it be different? Could we be different? 'Cause the night's so young, 'cause the night's so young, so young, young, young. I will try. I know this heart has been broken so many times, and I will
I think I'm about done. Not too long ago, I did the doors and like purged a bunch of condiments that we were never gonna use. So I think the doors are good. And I think I'm done with the fridge. I got it all wiped out, ready to go. I can show you the aftermath. I hate wasting food. It makes me feel so guilty. But I can show you the aftermath of everything, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff cleaned up, and I'll go ahead and get the trash taken out. Hashtag adulting. So I just went ahead and piled up everything here in the sink that is no longer good or that needs washed out. Some of this stuff I can wash and save the jars if I need to, or recycle it, but fortunately maybe about half of it is in containers that I can reuse. I'm going to start out by getting all of the labels off of the plastic bottles so that I can recycle them. If you're wondering what I'm watching, that is This Crazy Life, and this is her fall house tour. I can link her channel down below. She's so humble, so down to earth, and I love watching her videos, especially while I'm cleaning. Great cleaning motivation.
I want you to want me. Maybe someday you feel the way I do. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love, no. He was nothing but a city boy, nothing but a city boy. So what?
My dishwasher was completely full after a long day, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hand wash these dishes, and I'm using a Skoy scrubber that I found on Amazon. It's like a dish rag, but it has some texture to it, so it's really great at really scrubbing the dishes clean.
What did you expect now? Did you feel better? The town those simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever. Down those little lies. La la, baby, won't you la la? Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Thinking that I'm a quick. You gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired. Trying to put on my fire.
I 10 out of 10 recommend taking your dish disposal cover off and scrubbing the underside of it. You'd be pretty surprised at what you might find under there.
Talking in silver. You know it's been a while since you came around. Look in the mirror. Are you getting bitter? Don't you come around? No more, baby, no, no more. Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Thinking that I'm a quick. You gotta keep it real. I got enough out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, liar, liar. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar. Only photographs is what we have of what is left of us. Left of us. You don't think things through. No, I know you. Only photographs is what we have.
I'm gonna spray down my stovetop with the Method degreaser and wipe it off with a wet microfiber cloth. And then I'm gonna go back over it with the E-cloth, glass and polishing cloth, and this will just get rid of all of the streaks that could be left behind from using the wet microfiber rag.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame.
I'm gonna finish up by sweeping up the floors. Normally I would use my cordless vacuum, but the kids were sleeping and I didn't want to wake anybody up.
Pain. I've got troubles, I've got sins. I'm my worst enemy, but I've still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me?
There's nothing like a clean house at the end of the night. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It would mean so much to me if you would hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. I'll see you next time. Bye.
A sailor